uh, you are here to, while we are reciting Kanjur Tripitakas, and you can look at here and you can choose what practice you want to do. So here also mainly Buddha Shakyamuni Sadhana you can also practice, and you can recite Om Muni Muni Mahamuni Shakyamuni Yasoha, you can recite it. And at the end always we together we will going to pray and dedicate our merit for all sentient beings. So now maybe how we can dedicate, I would like to tell you 3 points. The one, you can dedicate your merit to control your negative emotions. You please bless Buddha for me, and that I will become success to control my anger, hatred, jealousy. You can pray that. Second, whenever I go, whenever I talk to people, whenever I see, no one get hurt, no one get harmful. People will, whoever sees me, whoever hurt my name, whoever engage with me, and they will get always not harmful action, okay? So best things to pray to, sometimes we have a good intention, and we do, also here you are doing voluntary with a good intention, but somehow people get hurt. So we even didn't notice it. We don't notice. So that you can pray, Of course, I will never, I pray myself, whatever action, I will not do intentionally harmful to others. Even unknowingly, I pray that my action never turn to harmful others. And the third, most important, that your action should turn into altruism. And great master Longchenpa, he said, "Hyandun tu la, kyongal me pa yi, lapchen hyandun, lapchen hyandun chukrik me pa sho, reve." So, what he's saying is, when you do altruism, when you do something good for others, the most obstacle is like your own regret, or you feel tired to do good things for others. So this is very important. You must pray. Even we try to do something good, but always it comes, the regret and tired it comes. Then I look at, I reflect here most of our root gurus, we reflect his action, how he do altruism. When we reflect that, I was under his guidance 18 years. I never seen even one day that he shows kind of tired to doing altruism. So that is, now we do similar thing. Look at, I came here, then I got sick. I tried to come here, but I couldn't. So my motivation is not strong enough. So whenever you are in your field, your knowledge, your experience, you will get great chance to show and serve others. And at that time, you have to be very strong. People will tell you so many things, but you check your bodhishin. When it's linked with the bodhishin, you must go. And that's the most important. So, control your negative mind, be non-violent, and third, great altruism for all sentient beings. So we have to learn, we have to meditate for the coming 8 days. Thank you.